It's October the 27th, and this is your Pacific Palisades real estate market update. I'm James Respondek with Rodeo Realty. I've sold hundreds of homes to generations of Palisadians. Here is this week's important market activity. But before I forget, come and visit me this weekend at 654 Swarthmore. I'll be open on Sunday from 2 to 5. There are presently 73 active listings. That's holding steady from last week, but still overall low. Just listed in the Medio Bluffs, 15921 Asilomar. Can you say that fast? Asilomar Boulevard. Now this is listed at $9.6 million. Why? Because it's on the front row. This is a 4,000 square foot home on a 9,000 square foot lot. Now it was built like 25 years ago, but this is old school quality. It's got the wood details in it feel like stickly furniture, if you know what that is. That's Craftsman furniture of the best variety. You know, it's got muted colors inside. I think a kind of a fresh white look in there would make this place feel new, but have that old style quality. There's no pool yet, but you could probably put one in the back. Just listed in the lower Marquez, 16800 Bollinger Drive. Now this is a redone mid-century style. It's about 17 or 1800 square feet on a 5,600 square foot corner lot. It's all totally redone. Not a huge fan of the floor plan, but you know, it's in nice shape. I give it a B plus. All right. Just listed in Santa Monica Canyon, a 1930 teardown. And I say that pretty solidly because this house is not going to be easy to live in. You probably couldn't get a loan, so it'll be all cash. It's listed at only $2,650, so super entry level for Santa Monica Canyon, which I love. It's a 5,500 square foot lot. So, and you know the cool thing? The houses on either side are also for sale. So you could put together an amazing compound here. Just listed in Bienveneda, north of Sunset, 1190 Bienveneda, listed at a mere $2,595,000. This is great entry-level property. It's a 1972 Lockman home. Lockman had post and beam construction, so he's got nice high beam ceilings, and this house could be easily updated and made into something really cool. So I give this an A. 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, all right, and it does have some yard. Just listed in the Village Bluffs, 683 Hampden Place. Now this is a 1949 bungalow style. It's only 1,060 square feet on only 3,000 square feet, but it's also only 2.2 million. So there's a lot of onlys there. Very charming. It's a great location, and you know, better than a condo in my books. Just sold in Santa Monica Canyon. Now this is a 1941 mid-century located at 540 Adelaide Drive. Check this lot out, 21,000 foot lot. Woo. Sold for $7,850,000. It started at nine and a half, so somebody got a pretty good deal here. The house has real classic lines, so you could redo the house or, you know, build something spectacular on this amazing lot. And it has views as well. Another just sold in Santa Monica Canyon, also on Adelaide, 518 Adelaide Drive. Now this is a 1925 French Normandy medieval style, so bring your bows and arrows and your swords and maybe a suit of armor. You'll need the suit of armor if you go to the city to try to tear this house down, because it's a landmark home. So probably you're not going to take it down, but it probably also comes with some benefits. So you might get some tax benefits and stuff. It's Mills, probably Mills Act. These are all things that, you know, one would look into. And it's 3,400 square feet on a 30K lot. Now, there's 3 lots, so I think the one lot's probably 21K, and then there are 2 lots across the street across Adelaide, which ensure your view. So it's a really unique situation. And let's face it, for $5,450,000 compared to the one we just talked about, it's a value. But it does come with some possible restrictions. Just sold in the Village Bluffs, 557 Via de la Paz. Now this is a 2000, built in 2000 farmhouse style, 3,000 square foot house on a 5,500 square foot lot. It's had some updates in the kitchen, otherwise it's in really nice shape, and you can't beat the location. And the price was only like $4.90. So, you know, a new house there would probably be $6.50, so this is only $4.50. So, I don't know. Is it a deal? Probably. Days on market, 20 on that one. Price per square foot, $1,500. Just sold in the Palisades Highlands, 1218 Piedra Morada. This is a 1985 Spanish style, and this sold for only $4.3 million. This is coming in at $788 a square foot, so really good price per square foot value. It had an updated kitchen, but the rest of it was pretty original. And, you know, but look at it, 50 square feet on a 16K lot, and it's got views out the back, and you get some club facilities there, pool, tennis court, all that kind of stuff. I mean, you know, I think it's a value. Just sold off market in Sunset Mesa, located at 18301 Clifftop Way. Now this sold for $4,235,000. This is the larger floor plan up there, 2,564 square feet on a 9,300 square foot lot. It's got, and most of that was flat, okay? So, and it's got views out the back of the mountains and out the front of the ocean. And I gotta think at this price, it was redone. Like I said, it sold off market. Just sold in Lower Marquez, Knolls, for $3.1 million, 16915 Santa Ynez. Now this is a cool little cul-de-sac area tucked away behind the Marquez school. It's kind of the road less traveled back there. So I like that a lot. And this house was totally redone. It sold for $3.1 million, 2,100 square feet on a 10K lot. A lot of that was flat, and it did have views. So kind of hard to find, but once you get there, it's kind of cool. And last but not least, just sold in Sunset Mesa, 3516 Shore Heights Drive. Now this was a mid-century style, like they all are up there, and it was in real nice condition. It had been updated over the years, not super recently, but you know, in real nice shape. And check the price out, $2,575,000, and you got almost 2,000 square feet with a 7,600 square foot, good sized lot in the back. Didn't have much views, just a little bit of a peekaboo view. But I like this. Days on market only 11. I hope this information has been helpful to you. So if you're looking to find your perfect home, I look at more properties than probably just about anybody around here. Or if you're thinking of selling, like I said, inventory's low. Call me. I would love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.